Welcome to Air Conditioner Repair Midway, Oregon, right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right now heating and cooling is the most suitable choice if you're searching for reliable HVAC contractors in your area. We provide services to commercial and residential properties. With more than 25 years experience in the industry, we have the expertise and knowledge needed to tackle even the most difficult HVAC problems. Our professional HVAC contractors and technicians are highly skilled in all areas of the heating and cooling business and provide exceptional service with top quality results, exceptional customer service and affordable pricing. Our team takes pride in being up to date on technologies and codes in order to keep your family and your home well maintained. We are passionate about doing what we do, and it is evident in the superiority of the work that we perform on every project regardless of size or complexity. Our HVAC technicians handle small heating and cooling projects from maintenance calls to major central heating and cooling system installations. Only trained technicians from factories are employed. They're the best and most reliable technicians in the business. Your work will be completed correctly every time. With Right Now Heating and Cooling, we expect to continue our relationship after the new equipment has been installed or fixed. Our regular service is designed to ensure that your unit is operating efficiently without causing breakdowns. We provide a wide range of services that include furnace repair, furnace installations, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installations, heat pump repair, and heat pump installations, central heating repairs, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, and many other services. Our guiding principle has always been to offer a fair price and qualified HVAC technicians. We also stand behind our work with a 100% workmanship guarantee. For any heating or cooling repair, or installation services in your home or business, our HVAC contractors are ready to help you. We have a variety of pricing options as well as guaranteed workmanship. Emergency and weekend service as in warranties for all parts and labor. Visit our website or contact us at 503-300-6124.